Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic automatic frequency control. Here the main problem of FM receiver is mainly used to control local oscillator frequency. The frequency increases rapidly higher. So for controlling of this higher frequency we use local oscillator tank circuit, in which we applied DC volt on varactor diode, so which can increase the value of capacitance. So with the help of this capacitance we can control the value of local oscillator. Here we can see this topic in detail. In FM receiver, the local oscillator frequency stability is a great problem. Drift in frequency may take place due to temperature change or aging of component. So in order to correct frequency of local oscillator, AFC is used. So here, to control local oscillator frequency stability, AFC is used. The main problem of changing frequency is temperature change or aging of component. So for this purpose, if we apply DC volt in tank circuit in varactor diode, so the value of capacitance is also increases. So with the help of this, the frequency is reduced. If local oscillator frequency increases above the desired frequency, so it will increase. So hence we increase the value of DC volt at output of demodulator, cause capacitance of varactor diodes increases and local oscillator frequency is decreases and AFC is achieved. So if we applied DC volt in tank circuit of varactor diode, it mainly used to change the capacitance of tank circuit. So with the help of this capacitance we can reduce the local oscillator frequency. So it is very useful to achieve frequency automatically. Here some signal from output of demodulator is filtered to get DC volt, which is used to control the varactor diode. DC wise is applied to varactor, which will vary in drift in frequency. It can be positive or negative. This DC volt will then vary the capacitance of varactor diode, which is connected across the oscillator tank circuit. This local oscillator frequency will change automatically to reduce the error to 0. So the main role of in AGC circuit is local oscillator tank circuit, in which we apply DC volt, which will increase the value of capacitance to control the local oscillator circuit. So AGC is mainly used to control frequency automatically. So it is very important for frequency controlled in FM receiver. If you have any query, then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.